Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through another n8n workflow that I've created to solve a common problem when sending emails from Notion. As many of you may know, Notion does not natively support sending emails through Outlook. While it does support sending emails via Gmail, the lack of Outlook integration presented a unique challenge. To address this, I built an n8n workflow that enables sending emails through Outlook directly from Notion. The way this workflow operates is quite straightforward. First, all the necessary information and managed metadata are stored within a Notion database page. Within this database, there is a trigger button labeled Send. This button is connected to a webhook, which actively listens for incoming data from the Notion workflow. Once the button is clicked, the webhook is triggered and it begins extracting all the required data points needed to send the email. A key component of this process is the inclusion of a unique Outlook ID. This ensures that emails are sent within the correct thread associated with the user, preventing duplication issues and maintaining proper conversation continuity. After the data is collected, the email addresses are validated to ensure that no invalid or incorrect emails are processed. Following validation, an agentic AI component is introduced to format and refine the email body. This is particularly useful because the initial content written in Notion may not always be well structured or fully aligned with the intended message. To reduce that friction, users can simply write a quick note, whether from their mobile device or desktop, and the AI agent will automatically expand, structure, and polish the content into a well-formatted email. This makes the entire process more efficient, flexible, and user-friendly. Additionally, if the email validation fails, the system will trigger a missing email data error. Once validation is successful, we move on to combining the email data. This step is essential because it ensures that whatever we send is also stored back in Notion, allowing Notion to function as a single source of truth for all email-related activities, including both sending and receiving. Also created an email parameter so it can be used when sending replies. This ensures that all responses are maintained within the same email thread. Keeping everything within a single thread is important as it preserves context, keeps the conversation organized, and prevents the creation of multiple disconnected email chains. As you can see here, this is an example that was created earlier during testing. We use Outlook as the primary platform for sending emails, which also ensures that each message is properly stored within Outlook, as demonstrated here. After sending the email, we retrieve the page blocks from Notion, as it is crucial to have a clear record of exactly what was sent. Since standard Notion properties do not support content beyond 600 characters, we implemented this approach to provide full visibility into the communication. This setup allows you to view the original message, the reply you receive, and the reply you send, all in one place. To achieve this, we fetch the page blocks, and then append the relevant data using a custom code snippet. This ensures that the formatting remains intact and consistent with your preferred structure within the Notion page. Finally, the workflow appends the update, and you will be able to see the result directly. This is how you can set up Notion to send emails through Outlook using n8n. So, what problem does this actually solve? It enables users to create and manage email records directly within Notion, trigger the entire process from there, send emails through Outlook, handle replies intelligently, and then write all the relevant data back into Notion. As a result, even though Notion does not natively support Outlook for this particular use case, this workflow provides a practical, efficient, and scalable solution to bridge that gap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who needs to systemize their content. Also, if you're looking for a team to build custom AI agents, design automation workflows, or systemize your business using tools like Notion and n8n, please head over to our website and book a call with us. We'd love to help you scale. Let's make your systems work for you, not the other way around. Thank you so much for watching.